Come on in, welcome to the Senior Balance Society. Welcome back, subscribers. If you aren't subscribed yet, you need to be subscribed, so go ahead and do that before we begin, because we bring you a lot of good content multiple times a week that's going to be very beneficial to you. What are we doing today? We got a can of soup, okay? And now you're thinking, what the heck does that have to do with balance? Well, we're going to use this can of soup to make sure you don't have an excuse, and it's the age-old excuse of, I don't have any equipment to work out. I don't own any dumbbells. Today, we got canned food dumbbells, okay? Everybody has some canned food in your kitchen, okay, in your pantry. Go ahead and go grab you canned good. I have, what is this, tomato soup. Bet you didn't see this right here either, hidden in plain sight. This is a can of beans, a little bit heavier. Lighter challenge, heavier challenge. Take your pick, but let's go ahead and get started today and use this resistance with the canned goods to help our balance. I'm gonna leave those can of beans there, and I'm feeling tomato soup today, so let's go with tomato soup, okay? Before you get started, do you have tennis shoes on? If not, go get tennis shoes, no sandals. Is your area clear? Okay, no obstacles on the ground. Do you have a balancing aid, preferably a chair, okay, that has some type of a non-slip mechanism underneath? You will need your canned good today as well. Let's go ahead and get started, okay? With this one, I'm gonna cover up everything. It makes it seem like I'm trying to promote, what is this, Progresso? I'm not sponsored by Progresso, I promise you. Let's go with our hands here at the chest, and we're gonna do a push out with the chest as we step forward, okay? Push out with the chest as we stay forward. I promise you I'm not trying to do any product placements today. Almost there. 2 more, ready? 1, 2, good. Keep that same grip, okay? Let's go ahead now and make sure you have room. Same grip, let's go out now. Let's do those pushes from the chest as we do our lateral steps. You can go at your own tempo. As I always say, you can speed it up if you want to, or you can slow it down if you need to. Make sure you have a good grip on your canned goods, aka your dumbbells for today. 1 more time each side. Here we go. 1 and 2. Good, and relax. Okay, on this one here, you're gonna hold it, okay, with palm facing up or palm facing down, okay, whichever way you feel is more secure, okay. As I do a back step, I'm gonna do a shoulder raise. Notice this is in my right arm. I'm gonna step back with the opposite side leg. So my left leg goes back as I raise this up. Notice my elbow is relatively straight. This is not a bicep curl. I want you to keep your elbow straight, and we're gonna do some front raises here. My right arm is working and my left foot is the one that's stepping back at the same time. Good job. Let's go 2 more. 1 and 2. Good. Switch your canned good dumbbell to the other side. I have it in my left arm, which means I'm gonna step back with my right side, okay? Go ahead and jump in whenever you're ready. Remember, not bending that elbow too much. This is not a bicep curl. We're gonna get to those later. Good. 2 more. 2 more. Ready? 1, 2. Good. And relax. Okay. Very good on that one. Okay. On this next one here, I'm gonna put it back in the other arm. I would recommend to stand behind your balancing aid here. So you should be behind it. Pretend that my chair is in front, okay? All I'm gonna do here As I go up, first and foremost, look, it looks like I'm on a telephone. That's the position I want it to be in. As we shoulder press with a knee tuck, remember, my right arm's going up, I have my left knee going up too. We're working our opposites. Remember, that's how our body likes to balance. We like to balance with contralateral movements. All that means is opposite sides working together. I have my right and my left working. Good, always bring it back down to that telephone position. As we just have 2 more on this side, holding on to that chair, okay? Good, and relax. Okay, you can shake that arm out. Let's go with my left arm, telephone position. My right knee comes up, okay? Your chair should be in front of you here. I moved mine out to the side just so you can see my knee tucks taking place. But now it's my left arm going up and my right knee going up at the same time. Good. Remember, always come back to that telephone position. Good. All right, let's knock out 2 more. 2 more. Here we go. 1, 2. Good. And relax. Okay, on this next one here, let's go ahead now. And we're gonna go back to the other arm here. Okay, we're gonna do a front raise as I step out to the side. Okay, front raise as I step out to the side. I'm working the same side now, right arm and right leg. My right arm goes forward as I step out with my right leg, okay? Good. Here we go. 2 more on this side. Ready? 1 and 2. Okay, we're in our left arm. We're gonna go with a left step out and a front raise with that left arm. Good, you have your hand here on your hip if you want to. You can have it right here on your balancing aid. You can even hold your core to make sure that you're squeezing your core. Just remember, when you squeeze your core, that doesn't mean stop breathing, keep breathing. 2 more. 1 and 2. Okay, very good. Now watch what happens here, okay? Now, instead of the arm going forward, okay, I'm gonna have my leg going forward and my arm going out, okay? So we're switching the 2. I'm back with my right arm, okay? Watch what happens here. As I step forward with the right leg, now my right arm goes out, okay? As I step forward, my right arm is going laterally as I step forward. Still working the same side. It's right arm and right leg. Let's go one more time. Good, and relax. Left arm is gonna go out, left leg goes forward. Go ahead and jump in whenever you're ready. Good. Keep going, keep going. 2 more. 1, 2, and relax. Good. We were working the same side there. We were doing right arm, right leg, and left arm, left leg. Let's go back to those opposites, okay? On this one here, you should be behind your chair. Pretend like mine is here in front of me. I'm gonna keep mine there so you can see me. Let's go back to that right arm, holding on to that chair with the left hand, bicep curl, and I raise the left knee up. Bicep curl as I raise the left knee up. Good. Remember the bicep curl, I'm just hinging at the elbow, okay? The elbow should stay tucked right here next to you. Okay? So keep that elbow connected with your bicep curl. One more. Okay, good. Left hand. What knee does that mean is coming up? You guessed it, right knee. Left hand, right knee. Remember, you can hold on to that chair in front of you. Looking good. Take your time. Keep that elbow connected to the body as you just bend and straighten that elbow. 2 more. Ready? 1, 2, good, and relax. Very, very good. What did we learn today? We learned today that you do not need any fancy equipment. We just did a balancing routine, added some strength resistance with a household item that I know you probably already have, a canned good. Okay, so very good job today. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. We have all types of fun videos, fun tips, and again, we're constantly working towards better health with better balance. Now, I kind of worked up an appetite. I'm gonna go eat lunch. Good job today. I'll see you next time. Balance is something that can deteriorate quickly if you don't remain consistent. Let's not let that happen. Come join the Senior Balance Society today. You can even start a 7-day risk-free trial of a membership. This membership includes 2 new balance videos every single week that feature my reactive flow training. This is a method that I only teach to my members. Come find out more at seniorbalancesociety.com.